Hey Dominic, it's Elmo. How you doing, pal? I heard you like trucks and dump trucks and excavators and stuff. I'm gonna try and do my best to give you a first-person view of putting what's called a skid steer up on a flatbed truck. Let's see. The safety bar down, start it up. Let's see, there's my parking brake. There it is. All right, we got some controls here to lift up the bucket, kind of like that. All right, now let's see if we can go. You know, it would be really cool if we did it backwards. Let's see. Ready? Here we go. How do I know where I am? Well, I'm glad you asked. Okay. That little spot right there, that's the actual bed of the truck. Raise this up a little more so you can see the difference between the road and the truck. So now what I want to do is try and keep this where those two gray metal pieces are. I know it's kind of hard to see. What that does, it keeps me in the center of the truck so I don't fall off. Let's see. I think we're up there far enough. Let's put the brake on. There we go. So now I know I'm not going to go anyplace. All right, put the bucket down so I can get out. Alright, now I'm going to get out, I'm going to level off the bed of the truck and then tie down the truck. Okay. Give me a second here. Alright, let's get out. Alright, you ready? This is going to be really bouncy. Alright. Give you a different view now of what we just did. Alright. There we go. Now we come over to the controls. All right, and let's see. 2 minutes. Okay, first we go up. And we make it go up in the air. And then when it's kind of over the wheels here, we kind of level it down. That way the whole truck doesn't flip over. Then we put it over there like that. And then we put the bar up.